welcome back to our channel. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any.
Hello po mga kababayan, kamusta po sa inyo lahat? Stay positive lang po. Bali, konting update lang po tayo ngayon. First day po ng lockdown po namin dito sa Nepal. Complete lockdown naman po dito sa Kathmandu. Gawa ng it's getting worse na naman yung carbonara po sa paligid. At ingat lang po kayo, mga kababayan po natin dito sa Nepal. Ingat po kayo sa mga kababayan po natin dyan sa India. Stay safe po. Alam po namin yung sitwasyon dyan. And we're praying that God will protect you all there, guys. At double ingat din po.
Coming, guys! It's very nice!
Umuulan po ng yellow. Come here now, BJ. You're gonna get sick. Please. Hey, go inside, please.
Bye! The sun is coming!
Go inside. Masama po yung panahon. The weather is it's windy and raining. It's rain a lot. And thunderstorms. Nagagalit po yung langit. Sabi nila, oy, nagagalit yung langit. Yan ang sinasabi sa amin ng bata pa kami. Let's go inside, BJ. Look at that. The weather the other day is very clear and now it's raining. It rains a lot. And tomorrow maybe the result of this is very clear weather. Is it?
Oh, Mommy!
Yes.
Look! They're jumping!
Yeah, I know. There's a
We
little
have
bit
to
of
put the bucket here! 1,000 buckets!
1,000 bucket.
Yeah!
And
Here.
then?
And when the buckets get full, all the people have to help us get pug. Down.
You're so funny.
And short! So
Are you writing English or Nepali?
Nepali.
Okay. You're writing in Nepali?
Yeah.
What letter is that?
English.
So funny.
I don't know what is that. I don't know what is that.
You don't know what is that?
Yeah.
It's Nepali. You get confused with Nepali and English?
It is hanging.
Hmm?
6 is hanging on the wall.
The number 6 is hanging on the wall.
Yeah. Look.
You have to put that in the line, okay?
Okay,
Erase it.
Mama. Okay, Papa.
Or erase it again.
Okay, Miss.
The challenging online class started again.